Hello everyone, we are going to talk about Tom Olive multi-reviews, and most of them this is a new scam. And here you can see that I'm trying to open this website but it's not working. It was made on Shopify and I think the subscription has been finished, right? And the domain is working, that is tomolivemulti.com, and I just found a lot of reviews here which is this scam. And here I found a Reddit which says a new MLM on the market, multi-level marketing. If you don't know what is MLM, and plus botless skincare. And you can say MLM is mostly considered as a scam because this is just a loophole which is found in the laws to do a scam, right? Someone I went to high school with who was pretty high up in Monad just quit and switched to the same. It's so sketchy. And I tried to went through this here. I found the same thing. There's a website which they're saying that is completely a scam, and they show the method to create a proper olive oil, and this website was showing something else, right? And if you don't believe me, let me show you guys here. You can see that this is the same website which we're talking about. And here you can see Tom Olive Nutrition. When I just went to the reviews, okay, now first of all let's talk about the 1 star, then we will go to the 5 star, and we will find a loophole that this website is ranking the 5 stars, right? So here, bad customer service, hell, very bad shipping service. Okay, it's not about the product, it's about the delivery services. Order placed on 30 December. Okay, same thing, it's verified. Most of them are verified. Now let's go and find out the 5 star here. So in the 5 star you will find okay, some of the websites are pretty good, but most of the website which you will find is, as you can see here, this website is from Pakistan, and this website was not delivering any product to Pakistan. And one more thing guys, when I try to open this here, you can see this account has only gave us one review. Why this is not more than 1 or 2 or 3 reviews, right? Why their majority of 5 stars is one review? Here you can see 4 reviews, here 22 reviews, right? Few protein powder primarily for general well-being and weight loss. This powder are my favorite so far. Okay, so this is kind of good, same thing, right? And I think this most of this website are good, and most of the reviews are pretty good, and most of the reviews are not that good here, right? So it's completely up to you that you want to trust this website. And here when I just go to the trust pilot, this is some different website which is a tomolivenutrition.com, and I'm not sure that both of this website is exactly the same because the good reviews was for this website, right? As you can see here, 4 out of 5, 419 good reviews on this website, and they sell the same thing, right? So the website which we're talking about, that is a Tom Olive multi reviews, right? That is multi, not multi nutrition. So this could be another scam which is doing happening in the name of this original website here. So it's completely up to you that you want to order. And if you want to order, just order from Tom Oliver Nutrition, and from here you can get this original website, and make sure you order it from here. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.